Canada Caregiver Pathway to Permanent Residency. Are you dreaming of starting a new life in Canada? Do you want to know how to get hired as a caregiver, secure your visa, and eventually become a permanent resident? Well, in this video, I'm giving you the complete guide to Canada's Caregiver Pathway. I'll show you how to find companies that are actively hiring, the visa application process step by step, and how you can turn this opportunity into permanent residency for yourself and your family. Stick around to the end because you'll also get insider tips that can save you time and make your application stand out. Welcome to Jobs and Migration TV, your trusted source for life-changing job and migration opportunities. Let's dive in. Why caregivers are in demand in Canada. Caregivers are essential in Canada. With an aging population and more families needing support, the demand for skilled caregivers has never been higher. The Canadian government understands this and has created special pathways to help caregivers not only work in Canada, but also settle permanently. This means you're not just applying for a job, you're stepping into a pathway that can change your life and your family's future forever. What are the benefits of the caregiver pathway? So why should you consider this pathway? Hey, here are the top benefits. 1. Secure jobs with great benefits. Caregiving jobs in Canada often come with competitive salaries and other perks. 2. Path to permanent residency. After working in Canada for just 24 months, you're eligible to apply for PR. 3. Bring your family. Your spouse and children can join you, and they too can benefit from Canada's healthcare and education systems. 4. A better quality of life. Canada offers a safe, inclusive environment with one of the best healthcare systems in the world. If these benefits sound exciting, keep watching, because I'm about to show you how to start your journey. An corso overview of the caregiver pathway. There are two main caregiver pathways in Canada. 1. The Home Child Care Provider Pilot. This program is for those caring for children under 18. 2. The Home Support Worker Pilot, designed for those helping seniors or individuals with disabilities. Here's the best part. If you have a valid job offer, you don't need prior Canadian work experience. You can build that experience while working in Canada, and after 24 months, you can apply for permanent residency. To qualify, you'll need a valid job offer, proof of caregiving-related skills or training, language proficiency at a CLB Level 5, and an education credential equivalent to at least a Canadian high school. With these requirements met, you're ready to take the next step. Where to find caregiver jobs? Finding a job as a caregiver might feel overwhelming, but here are some platforms that can help. 1. Indeed Canada, a reliable platform for finding caregiving jobs. 2. Job Bank Canada, the government's official job board. 3. Care.com, a platform connecting caregivers directly with families. 4. Workopolis, great for finding full-time caregiver roles. 5. Social media and community boards. Families often post job openings here. When searching, use keywords like caregiver jobs with LMIA sponsorship to find opportunities that suit your needs. How to apply for your visa and work permit. Once you've secured a job offer, follow these steps to apply for your visa and work permit. 1. Get a valid job offer letter. This proves that Canadian employer wants to hire you. 2. LMIA, your employer may need to obtain a labor market impact assessment showing no local worker was available. 3. Prepare your documents. This includes your education credential assessment, caregiving certificates, and language test results like IELTS or CELPIP. 4. Medical exam and police clearance. Ensure you meet Canada's health and security requirements. Once you have everything ready, apply online through the Canadian Immigration Portal. Pathway to permanent residency. After working for 24 months under the Caregiver program, you're eligible to apply for permanent residency. This is your chance to
job
settle in
searches or
Canada
struggling to
permanently
figure out the
and bring your
process of
family
moving to
along.
Canada? In this
Keep all
video,
your
we'll
work
reveal
records and
how you
documents
can become a
updated.
caregiver in
They're
Canada,
crucial for
companies
your
that
PR
are
application.
actively hiring caregivers
It's a
right now,
straightforward
how to get a
process,
visa
but
and work permit
preparation
step
is
by
key.
step. And most
Use
importantly,
tips
how
for
to
a
turn this
successful
opportunity into
application.
permanent residency
improve your
for
chances
you
of
and your
success,
family.
here are some
If you
tips.
watch until the
1.
end, you'll have a
Build a
complete
strong
roadmap to
relationship
start
with
your
your
journey
employer.
and avoid
They
the
can play a
costly
big
mistakes
role in
most
your
applicants make
application.
Stay
2.
with us because this could be
Invest
the
in
life-changing
additional caregiving
opportunity you've been
certifications
waiting
to stand
for.
out. In 3. Double-check your documents to avoid delays.
Did you know that
or
caregivers
rejections.
are in high demand in Canada?
remember,
With an aging
persistence pays
population
off.
and growing families,
If you're ready to start
Canada
your
needs
journey
skilled
as a
caregivers
caregiver
more
in
than
Canada,
ever. In fact,
now's
the
the time
government
to
has
take
created
action.
special pathways
Follow
just
the
for
steps we've
caregivers to
outlined,
work,
stay
live,
focused,
and eventually
make your
settle
dream a
permanently.
reality.
Imagine starting
For
a
more
new chapter
life-changing
in one of the world's
opportunities
most
and
welcoming
step-by-step
countries,
migration guides.
with a clear pathway to bring your
Subscribe
family
to Jobs
along.
and Migration TV. Hit the like button if you found this helpful.
Here's what makes
And
this
don't forget
pathway
to
so
turn on
appealing.
notifications
1.
so you
Secure
never miss a
job
video.
opportunities.
Thanks
Caregiving
for
jobs in
watching,
Canada
I'll
often
see you
come
in
with
the next
competitive
one.
salaries and benefits,